Greg Salivan could not be with us tonight, so I have the pleasure of presenting this year's Don Salivan Award for Grounds Management. This award is given to the entry that achieved the highest overall score in the maintenance program and was created to give special recognition for the demonstration of superior maintenance skills that ultimately protect or even enhance the value of the original landscape investment. As you'll see, this year's winner beautifully exemplifies these criteria. I'm happy to reveal the Don Salivan Award for 2023 goes to